What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Doing something different. We are on location. Y'all see my wife in the back. Say what's up, Kim.
Hi! What's going on, YouTube?
So as you can see, we're doing a spooky Halloween, just creative shoot. Just getting out on location, trying something different. This is something me and my wife thought of. So gonna be getting some BTS, but wait. Gonna be shooting with this bad boy right here, the 70-200. This is the Mark II version. This is my first time shooting with this lens. I have shot with the original 70-200. So just a real world shoot with this 70-200 Mark II version. We're gonna see what we can get with this bad boy. Don't have a whole bunch of time, but I did bring my off-camera flash. So if we lose light, I'll be pulling that out. But I think right now I'm just gonna go natural light. Just kind of based on what we got here. You can see the scenery we got right here.
The random little spot.
Yeah, we found, as soon as we parked, we found a spot. So we're gonna get some shots right here. Y'all stay tuned. A little bit more to the right. Yep, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, perfect. Let me get a little closer. Yep, I like that, kind of just that stare like that. Kind of evil, yep. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, hold that. Hold that, come on. Yep, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3. Man, that looks creepy, hold that, I like that a lot. Stay right there, that looks good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, keep your head like that, but just shift your eyes to me. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. 1, 2, 3. Chin up. 1, 2, 3. Turn your body a little bit. Yep. Those are gonna be more side poses. You can drape your hair. Other hand, rest your left hand. Yep. Yeah. Chin up. 1, 2, 3. Just portrait. Chin up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look down at your left shoulder a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep your face like that, but just look up at me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. All right, guys, we're switching spots. We are losing some light, so we may have to whip out the off-camera flash, but a little different spot. I'm gonna place her right in between here. We got some good shots so far. Kim, what you think so far? You on camera? I love the look and the concept, so I'm excited to see what kind of shots we got. I think right here I'm gonna try to get some more full body and just incorporate some different poses, and let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. Chin up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can you put it like by your face, kind of? Like touching your face? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Closer. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Step. Yep, evil look. Perfect. Yeah, that's fire. Look at me. I like those. Can we put it in here and you walk with it? So you can just walk slowly with it, type stuff. Stay natural. Yeah, I like the look of. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Make sure we got the shot. Ready? Hold on. And go. Look off, look at me. Okay. Ready? Love that. Turn your face a little bit to the right. You're right. Chin up a little bit. Yep. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Keep it. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we're switching spots again. We are definitely losing light. Now we're gonna pull out the off-camera flash because we just need extra light. We got some dope shots, natural light, and we're in this spot right here. We got some good foliage, and we're gonna pull out the lights and see what we can get.